steeper at the top of the world. Yeah, on the top of the world. When your eyes are update. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a home care worker or thinking about moving to Canada to work in the home care sector, you are going to love today's update. You're going to love it. Now, you know that Canada is launching new home care worker immigration pilot, making it easier for caregivers to get permanent residency and find jobs. So stick around to learn all the new details, new updates that have just dropped today. I'm so excited for you. Now, before we go into that, let's talk about the importance of home care workers here in Canada. So, home care workers are the backbone of many Canadian households. They provide essential care for children, seniors, and individuals with disabilities, ensuring comfort, independence, and a better quality of life for these people. Their work also helps more Canadians enter and stay in the workforce, strengthening the economy, right? So today we're going to talk about what is new. As you already know, the new home care worker immigration pilot will be launching next month, March 31st, 2025. Exciting news, right? So starting March 31st, 2025, the Canadian government will launch 2 new immigration streams for home care workers. Workers in Canada, this stream will open first. Applicants outside Canada, this will open at a later date. So it means that first of all, Canada is going to be looking at those in Canada first. So if you are in Canada and you've been working in any healthcare, home, whatever, you're in the healthcare sector, please, this is for you. So it means that when this pathway launches on 31st of March, they're going to be focusing on those inside Canada first before they will now look at those outside Canada at a later date. Maybe the date will be announced, but for now, we all know that 31st of March 2025, the pilot will go live, and they're going to be focusing on the people, the people that are inside, working in the health sector inside Canada first. So if you are a healthcare worker in Canada, please get ready, get your things ready, and yes, that's for you. Okay, so let's talk about how this works. Okay, so what makes this new pilot different? Somebody will ask, what is that? Here is what you need to know. It's a one-step permanent residence. No need for Canadian work experience before applying. Don't need that. It has lower language and education requirements. Okay, only CLB level 4 in English or French and a high school diploma. That's it. No prior Canadian work experience required, but you must have at least 6 months of relevant experience or caregiver training. Okay, then you must be flexible. There are flexible job options, work in private household, home health care services, and more. No labor market impact assessment needed. No LMIA needed in this one. Now let's talk about the job opportunities. The best part, right? You will have more job opportunities. You can work for private household, home care providers, and direct care agencies, but placement or recruitment agencies won't be included in this program. Okay, so just know that. Now let's talk about the eligibility requirement. So to qualify, you must have a minimum CLB 4, the Canadian language benchmark 4 in English or French. You must hold the equivalence of Canadian high school diploma, just diploma. You must have at least 6 months of relevant work experience or a caregiver training credential. Okay, and you have to secure a full-time home care job here in Canada. Okay, outside Quebec. Quebec is not among this. It's very easy, very easy. Okay, so these requirements are not that much. It's something doable. It is something you can do. Okay, so if you fall in any of this category or you're working in any of this category, please just do well to yourself and get ready. Like I said earlier, when the stream opens on 31st of March, it's going to be for two streams. people in Canada and people outside Canada, and Canada is going to be taking those in Canada first. So you better get ready. Better get ready. Stop stressing me, okay? Anyways, so what's next? You know already, this is a game changer for home care workers. The full eligibility criteria will be released soon, so be sure to check the official website for updates, IRCC website. And of course, I will keep you posted right here on this channel. You know already. So if you find this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Okay, so drop a comment below if you have any questions. I would love to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.